Kalumpung yang akai sports jangki kena school belatip kum ke district level inter-school athletic meet arajar apusau jong ke Riboy district kelas dang hni kesngi ke kendai terik Jemang ha ke ba finally pariat general secretary ke Meglai State Olympics Association ulawan ban play bat penheri ke lama jong ni ke Lumpung ke bala penyai de ke office jong ke district sports officer Riboy district. Ya kini ke Lempung yang akai la pelong Hamadan NSCA paham CA bar kini ke Lempung lawan bani Shimenta hadu live ho teli school beper na Port Riboy district. Hakini ke sengi Laidon Langru do Gordon S Langste functional manager DCIC Nongpo DSO ke Riboy district Bobby Nongben uba RB Shadab president ke Riboy district sports association urang ba shnong paham CA uba jeling do bat kiwei kini ke Lempung yang akai kanong lai sengi kenti. Hakini ke Lumpung la bentaru iki kena ki lai kerdan kita under 14, under 16 but under 18 nak bentar ki kena shenrang bat gentai. Hashwaban penheri kalama ba finally el bariat ula ai kuble ya ke office UDSO ki bala ban penyat ya kini kejing le akai sports ke belawan bani Shimenta dah hadu lai pau teli ki school but ula kit bokit riang ru ya barok ki kena school ki belawan bani Shimenta hakini ke Lumpung ya le akai.
So I now declare the district level and the school athlete meet here for open. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
The athletes, I promise that we will take part in the district level inter-school athletic meet 2024, respecting and abiding by the rules and regulations which govern them, committing ourselves to a sports in the true spirit and sportsmanship for the glory of sports and honor of our district.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Taniandan. Ibu Nami.
Mana balak? Duh.
Kindly meet Kong Rida immediately. The government under the leadership of Congress Sharma and in support of the Meghalaya State Olympic and also the Directorate of Sports has been doing a good job in the last 2 years in promoting sports. We have seen lots of programs by the Sports Department in collaboration with MSA by conducting the EPP program, the SAPP program, how to nurture our young athletes to become national and then international. Reboy is one of the district, but we have seen lots of star athletes since 2000 who have been involved in athletics. We have good high jumpers, we have Kemlang Suba, we have Jonas Bagdo who have done a good job and only got a job also. Because after the sports now is no more just a game of to get health and physical fitness, but it is a source of income for all the sports persons. So I wish all the students to take the sport seriously, because the government has come a program of giving even cash award for winning even at the Meghalaya Games. So many awards have been given by the government. There's also a new scholarship program that each athlete who have won at the zonal are getting 8,000 rupees per month for 1 year. So take this as a news for you to work hard, because if you are in school, we support you for your school to college level through this amount that you're getting. So athletics is the mother of all sports. It's not hard to practice. It's not like football, which you have to do 11, 12. I think you need to individually. So as Bob has spoken before me, that there's no rocket science to become a good athlete. You have to work hard. So please work hard. The government is very much, any talent that we saw, the government is keen to promote them to become the star athlete and to be the star of for the prestige of our state. The national game will be held here in 2027. So we hope that we can support some young athletes to become the national athlete at the national arena. I wish all athletes the very best and hope to see you at the state level in Shillong, and hope to see you take part, because from the state level, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Athletic and the Directorate of Sport, we will be selecting athletes to participate at the national level. So once more,